Is on the mode, the correct mode, wherever they're logged out.
Mm-hmm.
And Rock, you're gonna log out the TV, make sure it's logged out while I talk through how to clean the glass. I use this glass cleaner right here in paper towels. This is pretty sufficient for just the glass that's in the room, and I just spray it all over when I'm finished. And I use, while Rock is doing that, start signing, making sure that person who was in this room last signed out. And so I just start cleaning the top of the glass, making sure that you got all the smudge marks. Sometimes they sit glasses on here. You gotta make sure you clean the back of it. Another thing, lift up the sound machine, make sure the sound machine also clean up under it, make sure everything is white up under it because dust accumulates. Also make sure you check the drawers and clean out each drawer. Don't assume that there's nothing in it because something is always in it and you can always get dust like I'm getting out right now. And same thing we're gonna do with the glass table back here because you can see they was in here for a few days, but it did accumulate a little bit of dust. I make sure the outside is wiped down.
Okay.
And that is how you clean the glass. And then you reset. This is all reset. Make sure that it is sitting right back on the remote control. And do the same thing with this glass table.
Okay, what about like materials like these?
Yeah, I just wipe those
thing?
off with a paper towel. Yeah,
Okay.
you could you don't have to put any glass clean on, but just as long as you can wipe all the dust off.
Okay.
And make sure that, because it accumulates dust.
Okay.
And you gotta wipe down the poles and stuff. Just make sure that you tighten up because this stuff does accumulate dust, as you can see, even though it may look like it don't. Same thing with this, you gotta clean it off.
Okay.
Thank you.